right, the Tamiya TT-02 Mustang GT4 with a different body on it. All right, body from Cool Play on eBay. We'll put you a link down in the bottom. Logan, what are we doing?
We're doing a speed run, and then we're gonna put a different motor on it and see the difference in the speed.
Exactly. So this is almost exactly as it comes out of the box, sitting on a 2S lipo, just a different body, but brushed motor just as it comes out. So we have our lovely handy dandy, been beat and abused GPS speed meter. We're gonna stick it on here and see how fast it is out of the box. And then we have a 4300 kV 2S capable brushless motor to stick in it and see how crazy it gets. What do you think, Lo? Is it gonna be fun?
Yeah.
Oh, that sun is intense. All right, just turn it around and bring it back. All right, that seems like that's maxed out. What do you think, Logan? It's as full as it gets, fast as it gets. All right. All right, so yes, Logan wants to say that this is not a fully charged 2S battery. Want to guess what it is, James?
4.
4.
Just 14.
4. It is 18 miles an hour. There we go. 18 miles an hour. That's how fast it went. Brushed 2S stock out of the box. So now, let's go throw a brushless setup in it and see what happens. Continuing the Tamiya TT-02 Mustang GT4 challenge. Hey, it doesn't look like a Mustang anymore.
Yeah.
So it's been a little while. So beginning of this video, brushed Tamiya on our street, trying to do speed runs. 2S.
Yeah.
Do you remember what it did?
2S is like
18 miles an hour. Kind of disappointing actually a little bit at 18. So we threw a brushless setup in it. All right, we had a just random Ghoul RC setup laying around, and so we put it in there. Cool thing about that, 2S and 3S capable, but the motor is like a 4300 kV, so we were hoping for a lot. So we are out here at our infamous speed run location, and we are ready, new body, fancy body, speed, it's already set at 0. We're gonna give this a shot. Is that full throttle?
Yeah.
All right, full throttle 2S. James, do you want to make a guess? How fast was it going? How fast? 30. Logan, how fast?
31.
31. I'm gonna guess that was 28.
28.
Yeah, let's see. Pull off the tape.
There's something 7.
Yeah, I see a 7 already.
37!
What? 37 miles an hour? Was that really 37 miles an hour? 37 miles an hour, dang. All right, we're gonna reset it. It is back to 0. Let's try again.
Cool.
Say you hit something and spun out. You gonna give it one more run? Make sure you get full. You're gonna have trouble if we put 3S in this thing.
Yeah, I am.
Is it that slick out here? Wow.
It's not going straight.
Right, so we have, read it, 33. So we had a run that said 37, a run that said 33. All right, so this is the first time we've ever put 3S in this. So check out these tires. This is gonna be interesting. 3S 4300 kV motor. The truth is, we're probably just going to crash this.
Okay, this might actually be 51.
Hey, it landed.
Whoa!
When I
That
hit full throttle, it decided to flip.
is the Outcast the standing backflip champion now. My Tamiya might do it. It's crazy.
What speed is it?
I don't want to know.
I think what's happening is those tires are ballooning up, and all of a sudden it's causing it to just go crazy. It's causing it to go sideways. That was full throttle for a very short period of time.
Hey! It's not like the rally car doesn't drive. It actually drives.
Let's see if we have a speed. I have a 0. 50.
50.
50. That might be legitimate. I mean,
That might be that
thing feels like it's doing about 50 in there. Let's give it a couple more. Let me reset.
That was. You're really lucky, James. You might want to get off the road. Good buddies. That was full speed for a little bit. It wasn't? I thought it was.
It's going like further right. It's a stick.
How fast did it go?
How fast did we go now? 49.
Dang.
Any type of steering, it's just going to be.
Is that full throttle?
That was full throttle for a second.
That hurts every time.
Alright, one more and then we'll be done. There's just no...
I'm going south and then north. South.
49 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour on 3S.
Yeah.
Faster than it was on 2S, there's no
A
question.
lot faster, especially Brushless.
But I think there's more in it. I think there really is, if we care to. I think we just kind of curious what it was.
Yeah.
I think 2S for what we're going to do with this vehicle, probably the sweet spot.
Yeah.
So we'll probably stick there. But hey, that was pretty cool though. All right, say bye.
Bye. Bye.